What's up, guys? XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in this video, I am reviewing one of the Dashley wigs from Sensationnel. This is Dashley 10. And as you can see, I've already taken her out the box. And it's because I already did this review once already. But what had happened was I didn't like what I saw when I went to go edit. So I was like, we're going to have to do this again because I couldn't do it. So the lace on this unit is lace that you have to cut off. It does not come already cut off. I already did that because I already reviewed this once already. But as you can see, it is a lace part unit. It's got a nice long part there. It has two combs right near the parting space, and it does have the comb in the back, and then it also does have adjustable straps for you as well. Let me fix that because that popped off. Or did it? The cap is not breathable, but it is pretty thin, so you can still feel your scalp through it. But, you know, you can't exactly touch it. The color that I have this in is T2 Copper. And I'll be honest, it's a lot more orange than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to give me more of a brownish copper tone. Not necessarily a orangish-y copper tone. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Y'all, tell me why I used retinol on my face the other night and my cheeks blew up like a chipmunk. They're going down now, but if you think like, she looked a little off in the eye area, it's because my cheeks are still a little puffy, so don't mind me. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on real quick. Not going to take me very long since I already did it, so there's not much left to do. But yeah, I'm going to do that for y'all, and then I'm going to come back and give you the rest of my thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Oh, and stay through to the end because you might have got the comment shout out in this video. You never know.
I'm trying to keep it together, but I'm falling apart. I'm feeling all out of my element, going things right, trying to figure out where the hell I went wrong. The pain reflected in the song ain't even half of what I'm feeling inside. I need you back in my life, baby. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't feel it right. Oh, have you touch and kiss your lips 'cause I don't have a choice. Oh, what I wouldn't get to have you lying by my side right here. 'Cause baby, when you left, I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong.
Alright, so I'm just going to get this part out of the way. I don't care for the color. That doesn't mean you have to not care for the color or that it's a bad color, but if you watch my channel, you watch it enough to know, like, even if I do color, I usually do more of a natural look. Like, I might go lighter on the brown or just, like, more natural colors. I don't usually do, like, orange like this. So, I'm a little uncomfortable with it. But, you know, that's just me in my opinion. I did go through and add some more dark root to this unit, and all I did was use mascara to do that, just darken the roots up more. That made me feel a little bit better about it. I think it wouldn't have been so bad had I not been so shocked and surprised by the color, because I really thought, like, I don't even have the stock card anymore because I threw it away already cleaning up. But, like, on the stock card, it looked like a more of a penny brassy brown copper kind of color, more so than this. So I wasn't ready. She wasn't ready. Now, originally when I reviewed this unit, I thought that the cap was too small. Like, it was not staying fit on my head. I couldn't keep it from sliding back. It was just giving me problems. And I thought that the cap was too small. Well, this time around, I'm going to tell you what happened. I have braids this time. When I've tried to review it the first time, I had my hair just pulled back in a ponytail. And I have extremely thick hair. Like, extremely thick hair. So, my hair was flat ironed at the time. So, it was fine for a couple reviews. But then, once I went to the gym, my roots puffed. It was over. So, I was thinking the wig just didn't fit because I didn't think my hair had puffed up that much. But now that I have my braids on, it fits just fine, and I don't have any issues. So if you have thick hair, you're going to have to braid your hair if you wear this. You cannot just slick it back. I did do Is That Your Hair's method of, like, cutting a little piece out right there and sticking it down, and it does look really natural. This unit was so quick and easy to put on, and I was not used to that because usually I'm wearing some type of frontal or 4x4. I haven't worn a lace part in a minute. I try to get, like, the full potential of every unit, so, like, I be taking my hot cotton, pulling this back, trying to make it look more like a frontal, even though it's not. But this ain't that type of unit. This is, like, if you're looking for a unit you can cut and go, like, just cut the lace off, pop it on, and go out the door. This is a good unit for that. I typically, like, when it comes to, like, barrel curled, body wave, deep wavy units, I like more volume. But when it comes to bone straight units, I like it to be a little more on the natural density side. So I love the density on this. Now it does tangle, so be forewarned, you won't get away scot-free with no tangling on this, but it's not terrible. Like, it will tangle on you, but once you brush it out, you're good to go for a while. You know, it is one of those units that you do have to remember that you get what you pay for, because it is on the more inexpensive side of wigs. So, you know, with this one, you will expect a little bit of tangling, but, you know, for what you're getting, it's not that bad. The fibers of the hair, they feel very soft. Somewhere in between yucky and silky, but it's not overly silky, but it's not like a coarse yucky either, like a yucky straight. My ring light is on in front of me, so take that into account when you're looking at the shine, because to me, looking in my mirror, it's not that bad, but you can always put powder on it if you feel like a wig is too shiny for you. Now, here's the length of the unit. As you can see, it's long, but it's not like super long. Now, the ends do have a slight bend, but you can flat iron that out. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now, even though the cap isn't sliding off my head anymore, it still is a little bit snug around like the edges here. Like, it doesn't fit my entire edge, which has been happening a lot lately. I don't know if it's me or is it these wigs. I think it's these wigs though, because I've seen other people say the same thing about a lot of units. It doesn't fit around here, so you definitely gotta keep them edges covered. This wig though is really a great beginner friendly, pop it on and go. Someone who maybe doesn't like to do a whole lot with their wigs, this is a good one for you. This is actually my first unit I've tried from the Dashley collection. I noticed that when I was looking at them that 10 looks a lot like 6, so I don't know why they did both of these. Like, I would have maybe made this short or something, kind of how they did Yara and Yara long, something like that. I don't know. And it also really looks like the Outre Daily Collections wig like this as well. Like, they really look like legit the same wig. I'll link my review to that one if you want to see it. It was a while ago, so I can't remember my exact thoughts on it anymore, but they look about the same. I do like the Daily Collections color I had a lot better than this, but it wasn't copper. So comment shout out in this video goes to Miss Chrissy. Shout out to her. She has a channel as well, so check her out. If you would like to be the next comment winner, drop a comment down below. In this video or any of my other videos, I read my comments and I pick a winner for every video, so that just might be you next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, the link for this wig will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.